Hello guys, this is Skill Dimension. We make short videos on latest and popular technologies. This is a quick tip series for test automation. Today guys, we will see how we can manage our browser drivers in a better way. Okay, so I've created a Maven project. I've placed my Chrome driver here. Normally what we do is this. First, we set the property our Chrome driver. We set the path to the executable. I'm using a Mac and binaries doesn't have the .exe extension. Okay. Next, what we do is we create a new driver. Okay. And then we just call the get method to open the URL, right? Okay. Let me just try and run it. And we can see that it should be running fine. Okay, it opens the google.com and then it just wait for 3 seconds that the thread was leave here and then it just quits. Okay, so it's a pretty basic program. I just want to demonstrate one thing. Suppose the Chrome driver right now is 89. Okay, and suppose in future it will go to 90 or 91, right? So what I have to do is first I have to delete this and download the latest Chrome driver and then replace it, right? Or if I'm testing on different Chrome versions, then I have to maintain like that, and I have to change the path here also in the same way. Okay, to manage this in a better way, there is a library created by Boni Garcia. To use that library, all we have to do is in our form.xml just add the dependency. Okay, and then in our test case I just called this WebDriver Manager.ChromeDriver.setup. Okay, it will download the Chrome driver, which is the latest one, and it will save it at this location. And then I just need to do like I was doing before. Okay, so I didn't need to set up the path and all, right? It saved all that effort. Okay, let me just try and run it. Okay, as you can see, it's running fine. So there's some interesting things to know. First thing is it downloads the latest Chrome driver here. Okay, and if you want to change that, you can do like Chrome driver dot version. You can mention the version that you want to download. Okay, and this is for Chrome driver. The same thing can be done for Firefox or for IE driver. Okay, so this is pretty basic thing, but it saves a lot of effort and time while managing all these browser drivers, right? So this is a quick tip for all the automation guys out there. We'll continue to make similar videos. Do let us know what you feel about this video in the comment section.